To understand why we carry out certain tasks within Revit, it is imperative that you understand the fundamentals of a building. This in itself is a huge topic, so I will very briefly cover the main areas. Generally, there are two major components of a building, the substructure and the superstructure. The substructure is part of the building that is built below the ground level, whereas superstructure is everything that is above ground. The foundations, which is the substructure of the building, transfers the loads from the superstructure to the underlying soil. Foundations are generally broken into two categories, shallow foundations and deep foundations. The different shallow foundation types are individual footing or isolated footing, combined footing, strip foundation, rafter or mat foundations. The different deep foundation types are pile foundations and drilled shafts. Generally, the foundations are made of concrete and reinforced with steel rebar. Then we have the superstructure. The superstructure is the portion of the building which is constructed above the ground level. This includes columns, beams, floor slabs, finishes, doors, windows, and anything else above ground. Finally, the building's finishes, which is also part of the superstructure. When talking about the finishes, we can be referring to both the external and internal parts of a building. Finishes serve many purposes. They can protect the element they finish from impact, water, frost, corrosion, abrasion, and the most important, being decorative. The building's finish can really define its character. Architectural finishes can refer to a variety of textures, colors, and materials, and refer to hard and soft, permanently fixed finishes, such as plaster or render, and other surface coatings, such as paint and wallpaper. This, of course, is a very brief overview of the fundamentals of a building. There is so much more to say, but we have to focus on the tool which will bring our construction products to life.